Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new, my name is Katie. I'm a registered dietitian and personal trainer, and I make nutrition, mindful eating, and fitness videos. So today's video, we're gonna do a little grocery haul. I'm hoping to find lots of amazing pumpkin spice stuff because if you're anything like me, I'm a huge pumpkin spice addict, and I can't wait to see what we can find. Now, I'm going to focus on more like healthier options in this grocery haul. We'll see what we can find food and drink wise, but I might also get a snack or two. So we will see what we find, and let's jump straight into the video. All right, so we are back from my pumpkin spice grocery haul, and I will just say I kind of expected there to be more pumpkin spice stuff available. Maybe I'm just used to Trader Joe's and other places like that that kind of go all out, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't find as much as I anticipated that I would find, because A, my wallet might need help if there were too many pumpkin spice things, and B, I don't want to burn out from pumpkin spice flavored things. There has to be a healthy balance, you know? So let's get to covering what I found. Now, I found some refrigerated things, and I also found some shelf stable things, so we have a little bit of a variety in here, and I will show you what that looks like. So first, we're going to start with the refrigerated slash frozen stuff, because safety first. Gotta put these back in the fridge and the freezer. The first thing that I got, okay, this is actually a repeat. I have had this before from a previous year, and it was really good, so I'm definitely not sad to see it again. So it says it's made with whole milk, fruit puree, including pumpkin puree, cane sugar, cream cheese, carob bean, a couple other things, and then spices is at the end. So my guess is it is pumpkin spice, even though it does say just pumpkin. This is a whole milk yogurt, really great for a treat, but this isn't your typical light yogurt. It's kind of more like a dessert, or at least that's kind of how I usually treat it, and it goes great with a little bit of granola, or if you want to add some fruit on top like bananas, this pairs perfectly with that. And so this is the first item that I got. Second thing that I got that I'm really excited about, and actually it would go really well with this pumpkin yogurt, is pumpkin spice gluten-free waffles. So these were not the cheapest things in the world, and they probably vary based on what store you're in. They look like they have really wholesome ingredients. They include quinoa, amaranth, and brown rice flour, potato flour, and different things like that. So they look like they have really whole, good ingredients. And I think I've tried these before in the past, but it's been a while, so I'll have to refresh my memory on how good they actually are. But I can't imagine that they're too bad. I mean, they're waffles. Who doesn't love waffles? Comment below, are you a waffle or a pancake person? I have a pumpkin spice pancake recipe that I made up myself, and I'll have to dig it out from the trenches, because myself, I'd have to say I like pancakes more than waffles, but waffles are still really good. I'm kind of in the middle. I was disappointed that I didn't find the Ziggy's yogurt. They have a lower sugar version of their yogurt, and I did not find it for the life of me. So maybe you can find that. I highly recommend Ziggy's. They're a really good yogurt brand, but unfortunately I did not find them in my store. So the next thing that I have is the Califia Farms dairy-free almond milk creamer. I am excited to try this. They have really good almond milk creamers in other flavors. I've had the peppermint mocha, and it was extremely good. So I'm excited to try the pumpkin. I don't think I've ever had my hands on this last year. By the way, how do you guys like my nails? They match. But I haven't tried this yet. It says it's 15 calories per serving and then 2 grams of sugar per serving. So pretty good numbers. Now, one complaint I have with almond milk is that sometimes you have to put more in to really get the creaminess if you're a creamy coffee person like I am. So we will see how it turns out, and I will let you guys know probably in my Instagram stories. So make sure to follow me on Dark Blue Nutrition on Instagram too, so you can get kind of the update on my thoughts on this creamer. All right, I need water. Too much pumpkin spice coffee and not enough water. So we are moving on to the non-perishable things, which I have a couple more things of, thankfully. I actually didn't find any pumpkin ice cream, which I was so shocked about, but maybe it's too early. But I just wanted to get on the pumpkin spice thing before, you know, it went out of style. So I guess I'm too early. It's September 5th today, and I felt like it was the right time to go do my pumpkin spice haul, but maybe I'm just overly eager and excited. So the next thing that I would highly recommend, because I did already try this in my French press, is the Pumpkin Love Caribou Coffee. It's super yummy, and holy crap, if you give it one sniff, you will feel like you're in a giant bowl of pumpkin ice cream. Like, that is what it smells like. So highly recommend. It tastes really good pumpkin spicy profile. Yeah, look at me, I'm like the pumpkin spice connoisseur. Really good flavor profile, and I love Caribou coffee, so not too bad a price for coffee, and is perfect for your morning cup of joe. Next thing that I'm very excited about is the pumpkin spice Bobo's Oats limited edition bar. So as you guys probably know from my favorites video, if I've uploaded it already, hopefully I have by now, but in my favorites video I talk about the Bobo's Oats bites. Unfortunately they didn't have the bites version of this, so I did get the full-size bar. But typically what I do is I cut it into smaller pieces and usually like have it in bites instead of this whole bar at one time. Usually I'll have like half a bar at a time because they are higher in calories. Half of the bar is 160 calories, so that's usually just like the perfect serving size for me. But it could also be a meal replacement bar if you're really hungry, or if you have skipped breakfast or something like that. I'm a huge fan of Bobo's Oats. They are a Colorado local business, and I highly support them because gotta have your oats. Along with the oats theme, we have Love Grown Pumpkin Cashew Lightly Sweetened Ancient Grain Granola. So let's see what's in this, because honestly I have never seen this before. So it has ancient grain blend, gluten-free oats, quinoa flour, amaranth, brown rice syrup, pumpkin seeds, avocado oil, coconut oil, cashews, molasses, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice, and pink Himalayan sea salt. So I'm actually glad that the ingredients say that has pumpkin spices in it, because I wasn't 100% sure if this was pumpkin spice or just pumpkin, but I kind of threw it in the cart and grabbed it because I was kind of nervous that I was getting eyeballed from the grocery store clerks because I probably looked really super socially awkward. I was trying to film some b-roll and I was trying to be like really sly about it, and it just wasn't as sly as I wanted to be. So probably looking really sketchy in the store, but it was just because I was trying not to be awkward. You ever do that? You try not to be awkward and then you're just way more awkward. Anyway, so I will probably combine this with the Noosa pumpkin yogurt, and I have vanilla yogurt in my fridge, so it'll be great with that too. Next I have Simple Mills gluten-free pumpkin muffin and bread mix. So I am definitely gonna use this for pumpkin muffins. I'm a huge fan, and it's pretty easy to make pumpkin muffins on your own, just homemade, with flour, pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree and stuff like that. But I sometimes get lazy, as all of us do sometimes, and just want to throw a mix together and call it a day. So I am excited to use this, and it has almond flour, coconut sugar, pumpkin, arrowroot, coconut flour, and organic spices, baking soda, and salt. So really simple, easy ingredients. Alrighty, so the last thing that I have is the Belvita pumpkin spice, what do you call these things? Breakfast biscuits. But I would compare it to like a graham cracker. So this has the pumpkin spice flavor added to it, and they really don't have terribly bad ingredients. The first ingredient is a whole grain blend, including oats and rye flakes, and then it does have some flour in it. So like Maybe you could argue that it's not like the most healthiest thing in the world, but we're all about balance here, and they definitely make a very good breakfast snack or just treat when you're needing a little bit of energy. They are high in carbs, which is a good thing in my books. Perfect for when you need some extra energy, whether it's in the morning or a pick-me-up in the afternoon with your pumpkin spice latte. So those were the things that I found in my store. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. What are your favorite pumpkin spice flavored things, and what have you found so far when you are searching your local grocery store? Make sure to share the love in the comment section below, or if you bought stuff online, what have you purchased so far? I want to hear from you pumpkin spice lovers, and I will make sure to link at the end of this video to some more fall themed videos if you need a little bit of fall vibes. I will have some more videos coming up in YouTober to kind of give the fall theme to this, and I also want to take a second to explain what I'll be doing in YouTober. Instead of doing what some YouTubers do and uploading once a day, which is a little too much for me right now because I have a full-time job, I'm going to be uploading twice a week instead of once a week, and I'm going to try to do it again during Vlogmas in December, just so you guys have a little bit of extra love during these seasons. I know it's been a really tough year for everybody, and I just want to bring as much love as possible to this channel and bring as much value as possible to you guys. So let me know what you want to see, and I will make sure to try to cater some of the topics to what you suggest. But other than that, I have some ideas planned too, so I have plenty in store for you in the future. It'll be one video that's a nutrition related video and one video that is a fitness video each week, so the sun doesn't blind me. I will let you know in the future what videos will be uploaded what days. I think I'm planning on fitness videos being Wednesday and then nutrition videos on Saturdays like usual, but we will see. I will update you on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there if you'd like to see what I have in store for the coming months. I am so happy that you joined me today, and I would love to hear from you in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.